Okay guys, hi. In this video I want to just kind of describe what pre-treating really is. Pre-treating is a fundamental factor to cleaning any floor. It has to be done in 99% of the cases. Nobody's that clean, guys. It has to be done. Now pre-treating can be gotten at Home Depot. You've seen the stuff. Grocery store, you've seen it. No surfactants, no emulsifications, all these different things that it needs. But to be honest with you guys, even the pre-treat we get for your flooring is relatively inexpensive. And when you're dealing with pre-treat, especially when you're talked a little earlier about basic cleaning and the per room kind of pricing, that really low kind of pricing, well, that's kind of where they start getting you. They say, well, this spot is going to take more, so it's going to cost you more because you have this traffic lane. But yeah, if you just use hot water on it, it's not going to do anything. You have to pre-treat it. Pre-treating takes care of 90% of the spotting in my little world here. Spotting being, let's define that, spotting being a dark spot, not necessarily a colorful spot. That's more shooting more towards the stain, believe it or not. They're dark spots. So you pre-treat, you'll get up 90% of them. Some reoccur. You just don't know, they all look the same. And some of those spots reoccur. With my services, I come back at no charge to take care of it and get it cleaned up for you. Those spots that reoccur, just what I call is kind of a wet spot. A spot that is got a base residue to it that's very oily, very tacky, or any combination of it. And you can get in there and clean, but if you don't get rid of that base, it's going to start re-attracting dirt. So every single time you step on it, it's a lot more tackier than the other stuff around it, and suddenly it collects all the dirt. That's what causes that reoccurrence of dirt. So when I come in there then, the second time around, I'll know how to treat it more like a wet spot. Okay, speaking of spotting, you have pre-treating, which takes care of traffic lanes, like I said, dark spots, 90+% of them. Then you have spotting, so you go over it, suddenly it's not working, you break out the spotters. Spotters range in 4 or 5 different areas, and you try them all on every single spot just to see which one's gonna work, because you can't predict what that spot is unless the client knows exactly what they smelled, which, yeah, that doesn't happen. So the point is, what do? We use the different treatments to make it clean and get it so it does come up clean. That's pre-treating in a nutshell, guys. It needs to be done in 99% of all cases for all flooring. So if you have any questions, give me a call, 602-619-0687. Thanks.